Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jack. What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lisa, where are you from?
I am from Ireland. What about you?
I'm from USA.
Where do you live?
I live in London. What about you?
I live in Paris.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old. You?
I'm 26 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister. And you?
I have 3 brothers.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. You?
Me too. Where do you like to travel?
I like to travel to the mountains.
How often do you travel?
I travel once or twice a year.
Who do you travel with?
I usually travel with my family.
What do you enjoy most about traveling?
I enjoy trying new foods.
What is your favorite food?
I love sushi. What's yours?
I really like pasta. Do you like cooking?
I usually order food from outside. You?
I love cooking at home. I cook almost every day.
Do you have any cats?
I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Which kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and action movies.
I like horror movies.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy tennis.
I play football.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
That's cool.
I can play the guitar.
We should play together.
Do you like music?
Yes, especially pop music.
I enjoy rock music.
Nice.
What time do you wake up?
You?
I wake up at 6:30.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, around 10 p.m.
I sleep at 11.
What do you do after school?
I study and then relax.
I sometimes go for a walk.
Do you use social media?
Yes, Instagram and Facebook.
I use Twitter.
What is your favorite season?
I love spring. You?
I like autumn.
Do you like rainy days?
Not really.
I like the sound of rain.
Do you like cold weather?
Only with hot chocolate.
Winter can be nice.
Yes, if it snows.
What's your favorite color?
Blue. What about you?
I like green.
I like strawberries. What is your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
They are sweet.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a writer.
I want to be a photographer.
That's creative.
Do you believe in luck?
A little.
I think we make our own luck.
Good idea.
What makes you happy?
Family and friends.
Me too.
They are important.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I go on Saturdays.
What do you buy?
Clothes and books.
I buy books too.
What do you read?
Mystery stories. Do you like puzzles?
Yes, good for the brain.
I do them on weekends.
Nice hobby.
Have you ever painted?
Yes, in a class.
Was it fun?
Very relaxing.
Are you feeling well today?
Yes, I feel great.
Do you often get sick?
Not very often.
What do you do when you are sick?
I stay in bed and drink tea.
How often do you go to the doctor?
Once a year for a checkup.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a run every morning.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, about 8 hours every night.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Do you study every day?
Yes, after dinner.
Do you have a lot of homework? What do you do on Saturdays?
I clean my room and relax.
Do you go out on weekends?
Yes, with my friends.
Do you visit your family?
Yes, every Sunday.
Do you sleep late on weekends?
Yes, I wake up at 10.
What is your favorite weekend activity?
Watching movies.
Do you eat out on weekends?
Yes, usually pizza.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, every day.
What do you do on your phone?
I chat and watch videos,
What apps do you use most?
Instagram and YouTube.
How do you go to school?
Ah,
Do you like public transport?
yes, it's cheap and easy.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I go there to relax.
Do you enjoy picnics?
Yes, especially in the summer.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love nature. Do you?
Yes, I like walking in the forest.
Do you recycle?
Yes, every day.
Do you care about the environment?
Yes, it's very important.
Do you try to save energy at home?
Yes, I turn off lights when I don't need them.
Do you shop online?
Yes, it's easy and fast. Do you?
Yes, I use online shops too.
Do you use cash or card?
I use a card and you?
I use both.
Do you save money every month?
Yes, I try to save a little. Do you?
Sometimes if I can.
Are you a shy person?
A little. Are you?
No, I'm more outgoing.
Do you get angry easily?
Not really. What about you? Are you a morning person?
Yes, I like mornings. Do you?
No, I prefer the night.
What makes you laugh?
Funny movies make me laugh. You?
Jokes and funny videos.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. You?
I live in a house.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, and I keep it clean.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
It was really nice talking to you, Lisa.
It was great chatting with you too, Jack.